Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel A Square Academy. In today's video, we are going to see database slip where the tables are like movie, actor and producer. Okay. Here the relationship between movie and actor is many to many. Okay. And the relationship between movie and producer is also many to many. So here you can see in the movie table, I have taken M name whose data type is varchar and the size is given 50. Okay. The primary key. I have taken M name as the primary key attribute. Okay. Similarly, you can see in the actor table, I have taken the primary key as actor name. A name is nothing but the actor name. Whereas you can see the producer table is having the primary key attribute like PID. Don't get confused. We can assign primary key to the attribute whose data type is integer or character. Okay, do not get confused. As the requirement, like we can say, movie name cannot be repeated. It is uniquely identifying the entire record. Okay, that's why I have given M name as the primary key, right? So here you can see the selected part over here. This is nothing but how I have mapped two table, that is movie and actor, as per many to many relationship. Okay, many to many relationship. That means what, the primary key of the movie table and the primary key of the actor table I have taken into the third table. Likewise, I have created the third table for the movie and producer. Okay, where the primary key of the movie table and the primary key of the producer table I have taken as the foreign key into my MP table. Okay, so this is how you are going to create the table when the relationship is what, many to many. You have to read the question carefully, how the mapping is given, how one table is associated with the other table. You have to read the questions carefully. So here I am executing that file. Okay, executing my file. So for execution, what is the command? I am going to write \i space the drive. Okay, the drive in which my folder is. So I have saved my folder in C drive, then colon, then this is what, /. Okay, and the folder name. The folder name is what, example / and my file name. What is my file name? So my file name is map slip.sql. So this is my file name. I'm just going to press enter, and here if there are no error, then you can see, if there are no error, then you can see all the tables are created. 1 2 3 4 tables are created. I think some problem is there in PID. Okay, here you can see PID int primary key, right? PID int foreign key references, and here I need to change the table name. My table name is what, producer. Okay, producer, right? Producer 82, right? So here I'm just going to keep all this in comment, right? All this in comment, and I'm just going to execute my file again. Okay, to create my last table, I'm going to save the file, open the software. In this I'm going to copy the path again and enter. So here you can see all my 5 tables are created. Okay, so this is how you are going to create when the slip is coming based on movie, actor and producer. So total how many tables will be created? Total 5 tables will be created. Very first one is, which table is very first one? So let's see. Very first table which we have created is select star from movie. Okay, movie 82 is my table ka name. So here you can see this is my first table created. Okay, now let's see the second table, right? Let's see the second table. Now the second table is what? I'm going to write select star from actor 82 and enter. So this is my second table. Let's see the third table. Third table name is producer 82. So producer 82 and enter. My fourth table is what? fourth table is the combination of movie actor. So I have taken the name as MA. So here this is my fourth table. Fifth table is the combination of movie and producer. So this is my fifth table. So this is how I have created 5 tables. So you all practice this in your own laptop. Okay, it is not hard to create the table. It is very easy if you follow the step properly, follow the syntaxes properly. It is not very hard to create the table with proper constraint. Here we have made use of only 2 constraints. One is primary key and the another one is what? Foreign key, right? Now let's insert the table in let's insert the values in all the tables. Okay, we are going to insert the values in all the table. So what is the command of inserting the table? The command of inserting the table is what? Insert into table ka name. What is my table name? It is movie 82 and followed by values. Okay, so basically movie name is what? Suppose Tanhaji, comma, next is what? Release year. Suppose I have taken into the integer, so release year is suppose 2005, and the budget of this movie is, suppose I am writing all as example, right? The budget of this movies is like this something. Okay, and just close the bracket. So whatever we have taken data type as character, varchar or text, we have to enclose it in the single quotes, enclose it in the single quotes, and the integer without the quotes we have to write. Okay, this is how we are going to insert. This is my first value. Okay, so this is how I have written all the values for the movie table. Okay, now I need to just run this particular file. Then how I am going to run this file? Again the same command I am going to copy over here. Let's clear the screen first. Okay, I have cleared the screen, and the command which I am going to copy over here is nothing but the \i space c :/example, right? And my file name is what? mapscript.sql बराबर, and enter. ठीक है, ओके, कमेंट में नहीं गया तो लेट्स पुट फर्स्ट इनटू द कमेंट. Okay, I have removed the comment. Okay, now let's execute it again. So here you can see all the 4 rows for the movie table has been inserted. Okay, movie table means what? This table, right? And enter. You can see whatever I have written into the insert command, all have been inserted here. Likewise, we can insert values into the actor table as well as the values into the producer table. Let's see that also. So here you can see this is how I have inserted the values into the actor table, and this is how I have inserted the values into my producer table. Okay, let's run the file and see how does it work. So here you can see duplicate wiki wallets. Okay, the file was not saved. Okay, now let's see again. So here you can see the file is executed and 4 records into your actor table and 3 records into your producer table has been inserted. Okay, actor 82, okay, and this is producer 82. So this is how the values for the movie table, actor table and the producer table have been inserted. Now let's insert into our third table of movie actor and the third table for the movie producer. So this is how I have inserted the values into the movie actor table. Okay, movie actor table, always remember the values in the movie table, whatever the values present into the movie table, those only values we are going to insert over here. Tanhaji was present into the movie table, that's why I have taken over here. DDLJ is present into the movie table. Okay, likewise Ranveer is present into my actor table, that's why I have taken Ranveer. Salman is present into my actor table, that's why I have taken Salman in this my movie actor table. Okay, now run the file again, enter. So here you can see we have inserted 4 rows into the movie actor table. Let's see the table. Okay, so here you can see this is how your movie actor table will look like. So this is how you're going to insert the values into your MP table. Okay, Tanhaji Rani, this is my first record. Let's execute this particular file and see what happens. Okay, uh, let's run the file first. So my file is like this. Okay, so here there is invalid input syntax. Let's see what happened. Okay, in the MP table, movie producer table, we have not taken as the producer name foreign key. We have taken its ID. So ID I have given 1, 2 and 3, right? Let's delete this. Okay, here also Priyanka. Now let's run the file again. Okay, let's see. 4 rows have been inserted. Okay, 4 rows have been inserted, right? Let's check the output. Okay, it's MP, right? And enter. So here you can see the values which are inserted into my movie producer table. Okay, so this is how you are going to insert values in the movie table, actor table, producer table, and movie actor table and movie producer table. Okay,